Hey everyone, this is Mark from Freedom Gorilla, and today I'm going to show you how to install your RMR To K series plate so that you can install a 407K, 507K, EPS Carry, or EPS on a slide that's milled for the RMR footprint. So if you have an RMR cut slide and you want to use one of the K series, like the 407K or 507K, or EPS Carry, or the full-size EPS, here's how you do that using just one slide. For this install, we've included 3 sets of screws. You're going to use 2 of the 3 sets. One set is to install the plate to the slide itself, and then the other set of screws that you're going to use is determined by whether you're using EPS Carry or EPS, or a 407K or 507K. And as a reminder, before you do anything, just make sure your firearm is unloaded. And in today's video, we're obviously just using the slide, and that's mainly for demonstration purposes. You don't have to take it off necessarily. The EPS and the 407K use 2 different sets of screws because the deck height is different on both of them. Of the 3 sets of screws that are included, the smallest set are going to be what installs the plate to the slide. And one quick note before we do install this, you can use a regular screwdriver and just make sure that it's snug, but we do recommend something like the Wheeler Fat Wrench, which we sell on freedomgorilla.com. So you're able to torque it to the right specs, which is going to be 15 inch-pounds. And to install any of these screws that we're about to cover, it's a T10 star bit. So first things first, we're going to take the plate and put it on the slide. And you're going to have to press down on it until you hear a snap. Then we'll obviously install the smallest set of screws by putting them on the slide and starting to tighten. Once you're done, the plate will be installed. And next we'll put on the optic. I'm going to start with the 407K, but obviously everything for this is going to apply to the 507K. They're literally the same dimensions, it's just a different reticle between the 2 models. So we're going to put that on and line it up with the holes right at the top here, and then we'll put the screws in and start to tighten. And there you go. There's how you install the 407K or 507K. And one thing to note here, again, the whole reason why you'd want to do that is there's no overhang from the optic there. And to install the EPS or EPS Carry, it's literally the same process. We're going to line up the nubs here, and then we're going to take our screws and put them right in the hole, and then tighten. And there we go, the EPS Carry is now installed. And there you have it, everything is installed. You either have your 407K, 507K, EPS, or EPS Carry installed on your slide now. If you have any questions, or if you need replacement screws, hit us up at freedomgorilla.com. And as always, thanks for watching.